Want to walk out there?
No.
All right, this is outside our front door the first day of the snow, the last snow we had last week over the weekend. And you can see the height of the snow to the trees. That's a bush by the house. And we have a little railing on a step that steps up to the house. Okay, that's looking out the back. That's the roof of the office. And our deck is to the right. And you can see the snow kind of piled up against the back of the deck. It's moved up to the front, but it's like the wind blew a lot of it against the back of the deck.
And the dining room window is looking out.
A tree from the side of the house. Branches have kind of gone down to the side on top of the roof. We're looking out the dining room window. Now, this is the new snow that we've had. Again, we're looking out, now we're looking out the kitchen window. There's the front door. You can see how much more snow there is by the lamppost, the mailboxes. In fact, it was snowing when I shot this. If you look, I think you can see the snow blowing. I think it was Monday night, Monday afternoon, we had all that shoveled out, so we had a sidewalk. I should have gotten a picture of the sidewalk because it would have shown you the height of the snow against the walk. All right, now I'm standing in front of my house looking back at the house. You can see the icicles and the snow on the roof. This is looking at the front of the house up on the second floor. Our neighbor's house. Give you some idea of the snow on the trees and the snow in the yard. Those icicles are what bother me. I'm always afraid I'm going to have one come down and hit me on the head when I go in and out of the house. Looking up the street, again, the mailbox. Looking up the other side of the street. First shot was standing in front of the house looking to the left. Now we were looking to the right. Again, standing back and looking at the house with the Suburban in front. This was taken this morning. That's Wednesday morning, the 10th of February. It was still snowing at the time. And then I came back in the house and took more pictures of the deck and the roof of the office. You can see how much more snow there is on that deck and on the roof. The roof is what bothers me. That's about 300 square foot roof. Well, the room is 300 square feet, 15 by 20. And there's got to be a good 5 feet of snow up there.